Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to discuss about the supply and demand zone. What is supply demand zone? Basically all of us are right now working into stock market, forex market or crypto market. All markets are consist of buyers and sellers because without buyers and sellers there is no market. So same thing as go with the supply demand zone. Supply demand zone is all about the buyers and sellers. There are two types of supply demand zone. One with the help of bullish candlesticks and another with the help of a bearish candlestick. This is the way we draw the supply demand zone. Bearish candlestick supply demand zone will always act as a resistance and it will act as a supply zone, and the bullish candlestick zone will act as a support to the market and it's a demand zone where buyers are sitting in resistance with the help of bearish candlestick, or we can call it as a supply zone cause sellers are sitting here. As we know, our first key rule is buy the lows and sell the high. So that's why we can apply the same logic here, cause always seller wants to sell at the high price, and that's why we call this zone as a supply. And what's next? Buy the lows. So all the buyers wants to buy at the low price. So that's why we call this zone as a demand zone. This is a one way to draw the supply and demand zone. Another way to draw the supply demand zone is irrelevant with the help of irrelevant candlesticks. As we can see that this is a bullish trend, right? So in between this bullish trend there is one irrelevant candle, that is a bearish candle. You can see this candle also. So this candle is acting as a support or supply demand zone for the market. After this candle we can see that market is still bullish. After some correction, market got support at this supply demand zone, which is with the help of irrelevant candle. After that, market started moving up. Again we got this resistance level for the next market. So this is how supply demand zone works. Let's look at how market react at this zones. As we can see that we have marked this as a supply zone with the help of a bearish candlestick. Here we got one rejection, two rejection, which means still sellers are strong. And after this rejection, market got dumped. But at this level, what we have? We have a bullish candlestick demand zone. Okay, so this demand zone means buyers are sitting here and they are trying to push price in a upside, which is a bullish trend for us, but price again getting rejected at this level. So basically this is a war between buyers and sellers. Whoever will win, price or market will go in that direction. Let's take an example. If market breaks this supply demand zone, okay, which is a supply zone, that means sellers are strong at this level. If market breaks this supply demand zone, that means what? Buyer wins, and then continuation of a bullish trend. And after that break of this kind of supply demand zone, this resistance will act as what? This resistance will act as a support for the market. Market will be in a upside, in a bullish trend. Vice versa for this demand zone, if in case market is going down and breaks this supply demand zone, that means support got break and market will continue to go in a bearish direction. So this support will act as a resistance to the market. So with the help of this supply demand zone, how we can trade? So let's focus on that. In this two supply demand zone, what we can see, market is still in a consolidation. So in a consolidation, I personally don't suggest to trade. We don't have any clear direction of a market. Once we have to wait, once the market breaks this supply demand zone, then only we can plan for the long trades at this level. After clear break of the candle, retest or continuation, and we can enter for the longs at this level. And another way to go short is same. If market breaks this demand zone and we get retest at the supply demand zone or continuation of a market, then only we can enter for the short. But in between, if market is in between this, that means in a consolidation, we should not enter into the trade because we are not sure about the direction of a market. Let's focus, or let's see how this supply demand zones reacted before. We can see that this is a supply demand zone that is acting as a support. This got break with the help of a irrelevant candle. You can see that after continuation of a bullish trend, market got rejected at this level and came down, pull back, but got good support with the help of this irrelevant candle supply demand zone, and again continuation of a bullish trend. Again got rejected at this level 1 and 2 times, but here buyers are very strong. That's why this supply demand zone got break and continuation of a bullish trend. Same thing we can apply with the previous chart. Here we can see that this was the resistance for the market. This candle, this bearish candle, market got dumped from this level approx to this level. Again got market pull back and started moving up. But when market reached to this level, that means in our resistance level or the supply demand zone level, market again got rejected. Next, where we got the support for the market? We got the support at this level with the help of this irrelative candle, which is acting as a support for the market. Again we got correction, and after correction we started moving in a bullish direction. Here what we can see, a clear break of the resistance, and now this resistance is acting as what? Support for the market. Then continuation, consolidation, then market started moving up in a bullish trend. So this is how supply demand zone works on the chart. So with the help of supply demand zone, we can plan for the trades. Either it can be a long trade or the short trade. If resistance get break, we can go for the longs. If support gets break, we can go for the short. Hope you understood everything. Just practice at your end, and if you find any doubt, just get back to me. Thank you so much.